Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a tutorial for you. It's a pretty interesting tutorial and it's on this product, and it's the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint. I've zoomed you in pretty close so you're able to see how I do my eyebrows. Now it comes in 3 shades: medium brown, light brown, and dark brown. And I got the color dark brown. That's how the tube looks like. Come on camera, zoom in. The applicator, it looks pretty good. It's as you're getting like towards the edge of your eyebrow here, you can flip it and try and make like a thin line, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And I got this product from Amazon. I'm not sure if it's in the US yet, and I bought it for $14.99 and mine came from the UK, and it was pretty fast. I thought the shipping was fast. They had said 2 weeks, but it was definitely here before the 2 weeks were up. Let's get to the tutorial. I'm going to start off with combing the eyebrows, the hairs, and I'm going to use a spoolie for that, combing them upwards and also following the natural direction of the hair. This product is a little bit sticky, but I think I think it's meant to be like that. So I'm gonna start off with the front. I'm gonna start off with saturating the hairs completely so that we can get a proper, review and outcome, hopefully, of this product. And I'm gonna start off with the front and then just keep going backwards to the tail. This is where I was telling you guys, you flip the brush, and as you can see, it tends to thin out just a little bit. Then it's easy to use the tail. It's easy to use that end of the brush to make the tail of the eyebrow. And I just went in and dipped some more to get some more product. And here I'm just trying to get a tail, basically just giving myself a false eyebrow. I'm gonna go over it again. Okay, when it comes to be right here near the, near the eyebrows right here, so that it's not too boxy, I'm gonna do like some hairline marks so it looks natural, because I don't like it to be too boxy. It's gonna look weird after it's dried out. And if you make a mistake like I did right there, just have like a Q-tip or something and just wipe out the excess part, and it comes off real easily. I'm gonna add a little bit right here. I hope you can see it. I'm going to start off doing the same thing on the other eyebrow, completely saturate the eyebrows starting from the front. And then I realized like on the end here, I needed some more product towards the tail of my eyebrow. So I went back in and got some more product and flipped the brush like I told you guys, and used the thinner part to try and get the end of the eyebrow. And here I'm trying to get a smooth line. I'm gonna fix the front right here so that it's not too boxy. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Okay, so the application it's in 3 easy steps. It says apply in desired eyebrow shape, let it dry at least 20 minutes for up to 3-day wear, let it dry for 2 hours. We're gonna go for 2 hours and test this thing out, and then basically peel it off. I'm gonna keep it for 2 hours and come back and let you guys know how it looks like. It is almost 2 o'clock right here, and I'll come back and we'll peel this off and we will see how it looks like. I'll see you guys soon. It is now 3:55. Let's take this baby out. So what I'd like to do is, I don't like to peel mine off with my fingers. I get a spoolie and I just put it here, like right there, and it takes it all off. Okay, and let me make sure that it's all out. Let's see. Pretty good. All right, let's take this other one out. And this one came out right out. Let's peel it out. Comes right out. Let's do that again. Perfect, nothing coming out. Pretty impressed actually. I like it. I like it a lot. I hope you guys like it too. As you can tell, my eyebrows were not created equal. I do have some hairs on this one right here, but I didn't want to put any of that black, any of the tint right here. So I'm just gonna be brushing it in, try and blend in with these other hairs. That's it, guys, and I'll come back tomorrow and give you an update for day 1, day 2, day 3 after I've washed my face. Okay, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. I had this for 3 days. Part of the tail of my eyebrow rubbed off right here and on the other side too. But part of this, I think maybe it's because where I have more hair, so it looks like it's still a bit dark. I'm actually happy with this product. Having had it for 3 days on straight, I'm actually happy with it. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. Because it's gonna save you a lot of time, to do your eyebrows when you're getting out of the house. I would do it again, just to have it on again for 2 hours to save me time for another 3 days. And then as it starts to wear off, I would use whatever is left there as a guide, maybe to fill in with my pencil or my eyebrow powder. What I realized is if you use a cleansing oil like this one, this is a cocoa butter therapy oil, cleansing face oil. This is to remove your foundation, your makeup. Or you use the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover, it will rub off faster and it's gonna take off the tint. These are the cleansers that I use, the Murad Anti-Aging Acne Time Release Cleanser, and I use this especially when I have breakouts. I also use the Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. And also I use this one. This is also a Korres product. This is the Wild Rose, if you can see that, Wild Rose Exfoliating Cleanser. And this one has the little bitty, like little crystals for cleaning your face. So that's what I use to clean my face. And those don't really take it out as much as using the other cleansing oils. And maybe if you have like a Clarisonic brush, of course, that's gonna brush it all off too, and it will make it come out quicker. So let me know what you think, and if you're gonna be getting this. Like I said, I don't know if it's available in the US yet. I bought it from Amazon, and I know my audience in Nairobi in Kenya told me they might have some of it there. So thank you so much again for tuning in. Have a lovely day. Bye.